The Animations tab in PowerPoint provides a wide range of animation effects. The effects can be applied to the text or objects such as clip art, shapes, and pictures. It helps to add some excitement and draw the audience's attention to specific content. Animations also make it easy for the audience to read the content. To get started, first select the object you want to animate and then click the More down arrow. You can see 4 different categories of animation effects. The effects under the Entrance category are used to animate the entry of the object in the slide. The effects from the Emphasis category are used to emphasize objects already present on the slide. As the name says, the Exit category has effects that help you animate how an object will exit or disappear from the slide. The different effects under the Motion paths are used to define a motion path and move the object in a specific way on a slide. At the bottom of the categories list, you can see each category has more effect options to use. Now, let's select an Entrance animation effect. This applies the entrance effect to the object. The number next to the object indicates that the animation effect is applied. You can also see a star symbol appearing next to the corresponding slide in the left pane. To preview the effect, just click the Preview command. Some animations have options to change the direction or sequence of an object. You can do this using the Effect Options command. Now, let's say you want to add one more animation effect to the same object. If you select an effect from the animation group, it will replace the current effect. Instead, you can use the Add Animation command from the Advanced Animation group. Click the down arrow and select the additional animation effect. You can see the effect is applied in addition to the current effect applied to the same object. It is indicated by a second box placed next to the object. The first box with the number indicates the first animation effect. The numbers in the boxes appear in sequential order as the animations are applied. Remember, animations look good when used in moderation. Too many animations can distract your audience. Now that you have several animations to keep track of, the Animations Pane command from the Advanced Animation group helps you to track, manage, and view all the effects applied to the current slide. Click the Animation Pane command. This opens the Animation Pane on the right. It shows all the effects applied to the current slide. You can see that the animation effects are arranged in the order they were applied to the objects. You can click and drag the effects to reorder them. You can also use the options like Move Earlier and Move Later from the Reorder Animation Timing group to do the same. To preview the changed sequence of animation effects, click the Play From button in the pane. Usually, during a slideshow, an effect starts playing when you click the mouse. So, if you have multiple effects, you need to click multiple times. To avoid this, you can choose the Start option for each effect from the Start command, Timing group. The On-Click option will play the effect when the mouse is clicked. The With Previous option will start the effect at the same time as the previous effect, and the After Previous option will start the effect when the previous effect ends. Next, you can specify the length of the animation and change its duration by using the Duration option. You can add a delay before the animation starts using the Delay option. You can find similar options by clicking the down arrow next to each effect. To fine-tune the effect, select the Effect options. This opens the Applied Effect dialog box. The options in this dialog box will vary depending on the type of animation effect you select. From the Effect tab, you can add a sound effect to the animation, add an effect after the animation is over, or animate the text on the slide. The Timing tab allows you to delay an animation effect, change the duration of the effect, and control whether the effect should be repeated or not. Use the Trigger command from the Advanced Animation group to click a specific object on a slide and start the animation effect. First, select the animated object from the animation pane. In the Advanced Animation group, click the Trigger command down arrow and move the cursor to On Click Off. Select the object you want to trigger to start playing the animation. A trigger is also used when you want to start a video. You use a shape or an object as a trigger to start playing a video. Let's use this action button as a trigger. Now, insert a video and pull the video off the slide so it doesn't appear before you play it. Then, click the Playback Video Tools tab, and from the Video Options group, check the Play Full Screen box. Select the When Click On option from Start. Now, click the Animation tab and click the Trigger command down arrow and move the cursor to On Click Off. Select the object, Action button, Go Forward or Next to play the video when you click on it. Now, to quickly apply the same animation effect from the object on one slide to the object on a different slide, you can use the Animation Painter command. Select the object from where you want to copy the animation and then click the Animation Painter command. Next, click the object from another slide to apply the effect. You can see the same animation effect applied to this object. The Animation Painter command functions like the Format Painter command from the Clipboard group.